What is that on the table?
Oh, this? It is just a small snack.
A small snack? That is a whole turkey!
It is not that big.
The doctor said you must go on a diet.
I am on a diet.
This is not a diet.
This is not a lot of food. It is light on the stomach.
Light on the stomach? It is heavy like a rock.
I will only eat one piece.
That piece is bigger than your hand.
My hand is small.
You are not taking this seriously.
I am very serious.
If you eat all of that, you will feel sick.
Then I will visit the doctor tomorrow.
Hello, I'm calling because my due date is next week.
Good morning. Let me check the schedule.
Take your time.
I may need to speak with the baby first.
Excuse me?
Yes, we must confirm whether the baby plans to arrive.
Are you serious?
I'm sorry. There are no free appointments for babies next week.
No appointments? But the baby is coming.
Can the baby come the week after?
I don't think the baby will wait.
Maybe you can ask the baby to wait a little.
I can't wait. The baby is kicking my belly.
Babies can be very stubborn. All right, I will make an emergency appointment.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Please tell the baby to arrive during office hours. If not, we will still be here.
I will try.
And please bring the baby with you.
I'll do my best.
Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.